Laying in bed at this late hour on a Tuesday night. Gotta get some rest before work tomorrow. Really though. Oh look, I see some light. I'm looking out the window. Cool. Look, check it out. I love playing this light game. Seeing like Da Vinci get a life. Creating that TV, look at it. Cool. Yeah, but there's something I wanted to bring your attention real quick on one of my cameras. Now I don't mind the time, it's barely 11:30. I never set the clocks. I don't. Yeah. Because time is endless in this life of ours. But there's something real special laying here on the nightstand that's gathering dust. Still has a little bit of battery life in it, but I want you to take a look at something. Because I know you're always thinking that I photoshopped the crap out of my videos or something like that to create these faces within nature. Faces of them, faces of the cherubs, faces of me, and also the faces of God, the many faces of God. But this is a camera, and we're about to turn this thing on. I don't even know if it's going to focus. Let me find the on off button. Bam. Yeah, it's going to focus all right. Let me see if I can find that preview button. Hold on. I'm trying to do this in the dark. Bam. Scroll through these things real quick, but I want you to see something. Hold on, I'm trying to find it. Yeah, I was just taking these nice heavenly pictures out there. Trying to play with the light, with the sun, against nature. Or shall I say with nature. To expose something that I've always known. Excuse my sinuses. They're always running. But there was one that caught me by surprise like you will never believe. Beautiful. Got a lot of pictures to work on. Well, to sell as art. But then it's that one that caught me by surprise. You don't see him, do you? Right there. Bam. Looking right back at us. And you always thought I only did this on a computer. But you know, I'm always the only one that can see them. For now, anyway. But there's a trick to it all. You have to win the game. You gotta find the ultimate treasure. But they are not a treasure, but in a way they are. So you can gain the gift of sight and listening to hear their voices. Yeah. One of the most perfect images I've ever captured. Hold on, where's my finger pointer rock at? There's one eye. There's the other one. Outline of the forehead. Bridge of the nose. Looking right back at me. Perfect. I know, greatest optical illusion in the universe is who they are. Try not to kill them. Please don't do that. We need that life out there. If you know what I mean. All of us do. But you probably never understood that concept, do you? When it comes to us. When it comes to life. Without life, we're nothing. And you should know that.